invisible. Professionals are calling you invisible. Confident energy. That's the way out. Using this confidence energy to move away from that. It's not a big problem. It's your nervous system misfire. So between your message and your presence, there's a misfire. So when you match, people tune you in rather than out. I've done over 100 television commercials and coached for over 20 years professionals in transition. And I coach them on physical energy tools. Tools that, like, I call grounding tools. You breathe in a few times, you center yourself, not in your throat, you just center yourself. You ground yourself in your energy that's already there, but you have to move.